Got this 79 Chevy, Big 10. It's got about 79,000 miles on it. Factory 454. I'm going to try to get it started. It's been sitting back here in the building for a couple years. I didn't even unhook the battery 2 years ago like an idiot, so it's been charging. And the usual, we've got squirrels and other bullshit, so we're going to get some fuel in the old carburetor. The truck was well taken care of. I've owned it probably for maybe 7 to 10 years. I'm not sure. We used to use it to haul our quads around. Still got the factory keys. Show you inside. Now somebody had put an aftermarket seat in it before I bought it, but everything else. What's great about Chevy trucks, for all of you, I love the fact that you can open the glove box and look at your options right there. We'll look at it a little closer later. Right now we want to see if she'll turn over before I put the fuel in it. Battery's been charging for about 4 hours. Whoa, whoa, got some wipers on there. And the old Chevy wipers were, well, they're not on. Ooh, yeah. All right, I hear the fan running. Every time you turn old Chevy on, the fan would kick on instantly. And we got nothing. Okay.